I'm incredibly pale, so a lot of times when I try to put on bronzer or something, it just looks like dirty. It doesn't really look...
I know, right?
Yeah.
Like, I never get to see daylight. Yeah. I try it too.
I try.
But I have tried it and come out orange or just dirty.
Yeah.
You just look dirty.
Exactly.
Like you fell over and got like dirt all over.
Yeah. Exactly.
And I have a 3-month-old, so I'm super pale now.
Oh my gosh, you must be so busy.
Yes,
I'm so happy we sprang you.
Yes.
Woo. That's it. All right, so here's the tick. Yeah, the number one, like you were just saying, it makes you look dirty. Number one, sparkly is out. Okay, so sometimes people sell you sparkly bronzer, you end up looking like an orange disco ball. That is not the way to do it. Number two, you don't take it. It's not wall-to-wall carpeting. You don't put it all over your face. So here's a couple of tips on application, because that's really going to change the game. First and foremost, you get a little product. Believe it or not, you want to start behind your ear. You don't want to go right here on the apple of the cheek. Why? Because see how much product you have there?
Oh,
you
wow.
want this. If you make a mistake, you hide it behind your ear. You don't necessarily want to take it and put it right in the middle of the face. So you go like so, and you want to go, Rachel, all around the face, the perimeter of the face, where the sun would naturally hit you.
Down your neck, right?
Yes.
So you don't look like two different colors.
You got it, girl. Yeah. That's it. So around the face is going to give you that beautiful, healthy glow. Blend it into your hairline, then go all over, just with a little bit left over. That's going to make it look natural. Here's another quick tip. Don't forget your ears. And I know that sounds crazy.
I know.
But right, you see it. Now you're going to watch TV and you're going to see people with brown faces and white ears. And you're going to say, Mally told me that.
It does. It looks so weird. Like when they move their hair, when they turn, you'll see they got a white ear in their face. Brown.
Exactly. So all around the face, less is more. And don't forget your ears. Nice. All right? There you go. So here's the thing. You were saying that it gets frustrating when you do try to do some makeup, and what do they say to you?
Right. So I also teach kindergarten, so I'm in charge of 38 little kindergartners every day. Plus I have who I love, and I have my 3 children of my own.
Sure.
And I try to conceal how tired I feel, but sometimes when I do it, people are like, oh, you look tired today. And I'm like, but I tried to do something.
You know what? I don't know who raises those people who say that, but it is the meanest thing in the world. You don't tell anyone, man or woman, young or old, you look tired. Keep it to yourself.
Thank you. Yes! That's tip number 1. Thank you. So, well, that is the thing. When they are being rude, and they do say, let me give you some little tips. First and foremost, concealer is definitely your friend, but the secret is you don't want to just put it underneath your eyes, right? Because you get that kind of reverse panda look, and I think they realize that you're trying to conceal being tired.
Being tired, right.
Exactly. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it in a couple places that's going to give you like an instant mini facelift, okay? All over the face. Number 1, here we go. We're going to go under the eyes.
Oh, I love this. A little highlighter up here.
Exactly, underneath the brow, a little bit in between the eyebrows. But here's a little secret. You actually want to take your concealer, guys.
Corners of the mouth, right?
Yes, corners of the mouth. And the reason for that is you're going to get a whole brightening effect to the entire face. You don't even need a brush. Just blend. Oh, here we go. It's happening, kids. Take it, and it's literally just going to lift everything up. And when you put the brightening around the mouth, it actually makes you look happier.
It makes you look like your mouth is curling up instead of down, right? It's good.
Okay, let's talk about very quickly blush, because I feel like blush itself is a big sort of question. And how do you do it so you're also contouring at the same time, making you look a little slimmer? Number 1, the mistake that people always tell you is they say, put blush on the apples of your cheeks. So they say, smile, and you put on the apples of your cheeks. Here, let me show you the wrong way. Sorry, Melissa. She's like, oh, great, I get the wrong way.
She's like, oh, great, I'm the one that gets to look worse, not better.
Exactly, there you go. So Melissa's going to smile, and you're going to see, well, here's the apple of the cheek. When you put blush up here on the apple of the cheek, what's happening? You're getting all up near your eyes. What does that do? It makes you look more tired, so then you end up like over there, like Cassie, people saying, why are you exhausted?
Why you look so tired?
Exactly. So here's the trick. You're going to take the blush. Here's the placement. You're going to smile, and you're going to take your brush and put it right at the end of your nostril, just like so.
Your nose,
Your nose,
nose.
Exactly. And then you're going to take your blush and you're going to go up and out. See how it's a little lower, guys? And you're also going to contour, so you get double duty of being blushed beautifully
and looking
and
a cheekbone and a blush.
Whoa!